unclear. What if the real AI threat isn't losing your job, but losing your sanity? So I've spent the last few hours doing what every slightly obsessive, perfectionistic entrepreneur does when they should be posting on social media. Well, I tested 4 AI tools to help me organize my content and create posts more easily. They are ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and DeepSeek. And guess what the result? Honestly, kind of a mess and kind of profound. Let me tell you what happened, okay? Just I say I tried ChatGPT, Claude, and then also Gemini, and then the very popular one called DeepSeek. And so my goals was simple, okay? I actually asked all of them, saying, hey, AI, can you help me organize all my content in one place, so I can create posts without overthinking them? And you know what all 4 of them told me? Use Notion. Notion is the best. Notion is your second brain. So I thought, perfect. Let's build my brain in Notion. I kept prompting, prompt after prompt. First, Claude tapped out. The free version said, nope, we are not working anymore. Then Gemini started giving me lazy or 2-line kind of answers. It was like it was on the lunch break. And ChatGPT, well, it made me work double. I needed 2 prompts to get the same answers 1 prompt would have done elsewhere. Claude, Gemini, or DeepSeek. But eventually, ChatGPT and DeepSeek gave me enough information to build my content library in Notion. So then I went into Notion excited and say, hey Notion, all your AI friends told me you are amazing. So can you now pull from my documents and help me create posts? And Notion AI looked at me and basically said, who told you that? We don't do that. We don't even talk to ChatGPT or DeepSeek. They made it up. Well, okay, so at that moment I was like a pause. So you actually say to me, after a few hours of talking to 4 different AIs, after organizing all my files, after building a content second brain, I realized the result is equal to 0. And it really hit me hard. Because this is what modern burnout looks like. You're feeling productive, right? And you drawn into the technology, but no actual results. And I had to laugh because some people are terrified that AI is going to take their jobs. But after my little experiment, I'm convinced we are not going anywhere. No, not our time yet. We are still the best. Human brain is still the best. So if you've been worried about AI take over, please breathe and say, AI is smart, but isn't soulful. It doesn't carry life experience. It doesn't know your truth. These tools are helpers. They are not healers. So if you are a coach, creator, or knowledge worker, please understand your brain is still the best one in the room. That's my little AI rant from today. If you want to see how I'm actually organizing my content in a human-first way, let me know. I will share the real system I'm building. So, because Clarity isn't found in 10 prompts. It's found in choosing one clear path and walking it. Well, I hope you enjoy today's sharing. And if you find it interesting, please DM me. And let's talk more about AI, talk about productivity, anything you want, entrepreneurs. Just let me know and then put your content in below. Thank you. See you then. Bye.